How to create Kik account. So if you want to create a Kik account, then first you need to install the application from your Play Store or your App Store. Simply open that, and here you will have this application. So you need to install this application, and once you've installed, you can go for open, and here it will take you to login or join. So if you want to create your account, then you can go for join, which is on the bottom of your screen, and accept the terms of service and the privacy policy. And here first you need to choose your date of birth. So choose your date of birth and then tap on submit, which is on the bottom of your screen. And here you need to enter your username and password. So create your username on the first blank and then choose a password. And once you've entered the username and password, tap on submit, and here you need to enter your email address. And once you've entered your email, tap on submit, and now you need to simply tap on verify, and then you need to verify the puzzle. And that's it, your Kik account is created. So now you can open up your email to confirm that. So you just need to open the email that you have just entered to create your account, and you can simply click on confirm email on that email. And once you've confirmed that email, now you can go back and you can again tap on open, and now tap on allow, and that's it. It will automatically log you into your account once you confirm your email. And that's it. That's how you create your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.